It's 8:47 a.m. in the office kitchen. Someone walks in. You don't even need to look up. You already know who it is, just by the drink in their hand, the sharp smell of black coffee, the quiet clinking of a fancy reusable tumbler, the loud blender noise that makes everyone silently hate them. That drink isn't just a drink, it's a personality declaration, and it's telling everyone more about you than you realize. You've seen them all. The person who orders the same complicated drink every single day like it's a sacred ritual. The one who proudly announces they only drink black coffee. No cream, no sugar, no weakness. The coworker sipping herbal tea while giving you that calm, slightly judgmental smile. And the green smoothie person who somehow always finds a way to mention their morning workout. You laugh about it, but deep down, you know these choices reveal something real about how they work, how they think, and how they treat others. This feels familiar because you've been silently judging them too. Here's what most people never realize. Your morning beverage is a psychological window into your work style, your insecurities, and your coping mechanisms. This isn't just fun office banter. It's corporate anthropology happening right in front of you. Let's decode the main archetypes. 1. The Black Coffee Purist. They roll in at 7:15 a.m. with a large black coffee. No cream, no sugar, no nonsense. What it says? High efficiency, low tolerance for weakness, including their own. They value speed and results above everything. The shadow side? Often masking burnout. They wear exhaustion like a badge of honor. They can be impatient and dismissive of anyone who needs fancy drinks to function. You'll spot them sending aggressive emails at 6:30 a.m. and wondering why no one responds fast enough. 2. The Herbal Tea Ritualist. Calm, measured, always has their little tin of tea bags. What it says? Seeks peace, often the mediator, emotionally intelligent on the surface. The shadow side can be quietly judgmental. Their calmness sometimes hides passive aggressiveness. They love reminding everyone subtly how centered they are compared to the chaos around them. 3. The Green Smoothie Biohacker. Bright green drink. Talks about gut health, nootropic stacks, and optimizing circadian rhythm. What it says? High discipline, future-oriented, obsessed with performance. The shadow side can be insufferable, turns every conversation into a productivity sermon. Deep down, terrified of being seen as average or unhealthy. Their optimization is often anxiety wearing a green mask. 4. The complicated order. Oat milk, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, extra hot, light foam, oat milk steamed to 148 degrees. You get it. What it says? Detail-oriented, knows exactly what they want. High standards. Control freak tendencies can be difficult to work with because everything must be just right. Their drink order is practice for how they manage projects and people. 5. The energy drink warrior. Cracks open a can at 9:05 a.m. Eyes wide, moves fast, talks faster. What it says? Chaos agent, thrives on urgency, great in crises. Burnout candidate by age 35. 6. The plain water saint. Just water, maybe with lemon if they're feeling wild. What it says? Disciplined, pure, quietly superior. The shadow side uses simplicity as a moral high ground, loves reminding everyone how clean they live while you destroy your body with caffeine. 7. The fancy latte social climber. Always the most Instagram-worthy drink. Changes order based on who's watching. What it says? Image conscious, socially strategic. The shadow side prioritizes perception over substance. Their drink is performance art. Now watch how these archetypes interact. Black coffee purists clash with complicated orders. They see them as weak. Herbal tea people silently judge everyone while pretending to be zen. Green smoothie people try to convert everyone to their lifestyle. Energy drink warriors create chaos that black coffee people then have to clean up. These tiny drink choices create invisible alliances and quiet conflicts every single day in the office. Carl Jung would have a field day with this. Your morning beverage often reflects your persona, the mask you wear at work, and your shadow, what you're trying to hide. Black coffee equals rejecting softness, embracing the hero archetype. Herbal tea, seeking the wise old man or woman, calm on the outside. Green smoothie, obsession with the perfect self. Complicated order, control as a defense against chaos. What you order every morning is a small ritual that reveals how you're trying to manage anxiety, prove your worth, or maintain control in an unpredictable workplace. So, how do you actually work with these people? With Black Coffee Purists, be direct, get to the point, don't waste their time. With Herbal Tea Ritualists, don't mistake their calmness for agreement, push for clear commitments. With Biohackers, let them talk about their routine for 60 seconds, then redirect to the actual work. With complicated orders, give them clear boundaries and structure. They'll respect it. With energy drink warriors, use their chaos energy for brainstorming, but never for execution. General rule: never judge someone's drink too loudly, because the moment you do, someone is silently decoding you. Your morning beverage isn't just caffeine or hydration, it's a psychological flag you raise every single day at work. The most dangerous people aren't the ones with the strongest opinions about drinks. They're the ones who understand what everyone else's drink really means. If nobody ever broke down the hidden psychology of office drinks like this, drop your own drink archetype in the comments below and send this to that one coworker who needs to see it.